Air pollution is getting worse, and it kills 7 million people every year. A growing population, a heating climate, and modern living are making the air we breathe a threat to us all. And it's not just the air outside. Indoor air can be up to 5 times dirtier and can contain a range of particles, chemicals, bacteria, and mold that can enter our lungs and cause us harm. Traditional air filtration devices were designed to capture these particles, but at Molekule, we believe that's not enough. Science tells us that air pollution is much more than just particles. In fact, indoor air can contain a whole range of tiny but toxic pollutants. Indoor air pollution is a complex and urgent threat, and at Molekule, we believe it needs a fundamentally different approach. That's why we invented PECO technology, a unique and patented process that actually destroys the widest range of pollutants. As air passes through our devices, larger particles are captured by our filters, while microscopic pollutants are safely destroyed at the molecular level by our proven PECO process. This means air isn't just being filtered, it's actually being purified by destroying pollutants as well. The fact is, filtration alone is not purification. We've developed this technology over 20 years, and our rigorous internal and third-party testing continues to prove that PECO can destroy pollutants, even tiny ones. But the biggest test is our customers, and thousands of you have told us the difference Molekule has made to the air you breathe. We are on a mission to give clean indoor air to everyone, everywhere, working with scientists, doctors, sufferers, and policymakers to deliver the best possible solutions to one of the greatest challenges of our time.
Training for that half? I bet you're very thirsty. Think twice before you reach for that single-use bottle. That's a lot of plastic you're using. How about a more sustainable choice? Ugh. Doesn't exactly smell of meadows, right? How long is it since you washed that bottle? These are the germs in your unwashed bottle. Bacteria can double every 20 minutes, leaving it dirtier than your dog bowl or your Lucid. Perhaps you'd like to wash that bottle before you use it. There you go. Ooh, just get right on in there. How's that hand yoga working out? Go on, go ahead. Give it a sniff. So you want clean, perfectly fresh-tasting water. How about a bottle that cleans itself? We've created the Lark bottle, the world's first self-cleaning bottle with on-the-go water purification. Lark uses UV light to break up the DNA of harmful odour-causing bacteria. Hospitals have been using the same UV light to quickly and safely sterilise operating rooms for the past decade. We've scaled this LED technology to fit inside this cap. Imagine a pitcher of questionable water. Lark starts working at the touch of a button, and in 60 seconds, you've got pristine drinking water. Lark works automatically in the background, 6 times a day to keep your bottle and water crystal clean. And Lark is 100% BPA-free stainless steel. It's vacuum sealed and double insulated, so it stays cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours and never breaks a sweat. Ah, there's no hydro challenge Lark can't handle. Whether you're bopping around town, training for your next triathlon, or on an expedition to the summit, Lark is always working hard so you don't have to, keeping your water fresh and your bottle clean and stink-free. So help make the perfect water bottle a reality and never ever worry about that stinky bottle again.